The social media section of your account is all different social media posts that range from real estate to more of the fun and friendly side. This way you can break up typically what you post on your social media. That one all depends on what you're already posting. So you can look for something more fun and friendly or keep it real estate related, whatever you need. We do not directly connect to your social media platform. That's why throughout you'll see the copy text and download image button. You can, of course, use this section on your phone, or the entire system is mobile friendly. So you can go onto your phone, save it to your phone, and go to your social media platform from that side of it, whatever is easiest for you. But when you're ready to post it, all you have to do is hit that copy text, or even just highlight it, copy, move it over. You're good to go. These posts are updated every 2 weeks. That way you do constantly have something to look forward to. We'll refresh the ideas, we'll refresh the topics. A lot of it will be relevant to what's going on in the world or kind of trends going on. And a really super easy section for you to use as it benefits you.